Hi guys, ito yung bag ko. Tingnan mo yung gamit.
Pakita mo yung gamit mo.
Ito. Ito pa.
Ano yan?
Ito pa. What else do we need
Notebook.
organized? Ito pa. I know. Can you go and keep your mom away from the surprise party, please?
Hello? Anybody home?
Hello, Sir Steele. What brings you here?
I want to join the Deer Squad. Because look,
Ito.
Ito. It's not
Tapos yung laman
just about
pa.
the antlers, Sir Steele. That's not. It's about helping people. And I'm all about helping people.
Pakita mo na ang laman.
Really? Well, we could do with some help organizing Tina Turtle's surprise birthday party. Pinky says there are 3 different groups of the mom's family invited to the party. Could you go meet them? Sure I can, squad mate. Just tell me where and when. So here. Thanks, Sir Steele. Squad mate. Make sure Tina doesn't see any of her family, or it'll spoil the surprise. Fine. So which of you squad mates is coming with me? I'll come. I just need to go to the kitchen to get the food for the birthday barbecue buffet. Okay. I'll help with
Bilisan mo.
that too. Eunice and Hook.
You're welcome. I like your antlers.
Yan, yan.
Do we have a Deer Squad podcast? I'm the deer, you're a deer, we're so happy that we're here.
Mamaya mo na ayusin.
But that's a great idea. Hey, look, the first group of Tina's family is arriving.
Oh,
Hello, guys.
welcome, Turtle. I'm a deer.
Are you here for
Oh,
Tina's
next.
party?
Yes.
My dear friend Sir
Ano
Steele
pa?
is going to help you hide so you can all jump out. Give Tina a warm high.
That's
Ito
great.
pa.
Thank you.
Ano yan?
Get the birthday barbecue buffet ready. See you soon. Ito. Bantay.
We need to find somewhere for you to hide while you
Wala
wait
na.
for the party to start.
Wala na.
There's this.
Kayo
They're
guys.
waiting and having a big
Huh?
time.
Ready na kayo
Well
mag-call.
done, squad mates. Ready na kayo mag-skull?
We're good. Thanks.
Bye.
Okay.